Hey you guys, my name's Carmen and I'm here with who? So we work together in the salon and we are going to answer some questions that you guys might have about hair extensions and how to maintain them at home.
And now we're going to show you our favorite hair products and some do's and don'ts for hair extensions.
We found that these products work the best for at home and we're going to show you guys some tricks that we have for how to care for your extensions. So let's get started. When it comes to avoiding tangling and matting on your extensions, we recommend that you wear your hair in a low side pony, side braid, or wear your hair in a bun on top of your head while you're sleeping. This will prevent major tangling and matting. When it comes to brushing, we recommend that you brush your hair 2 to 3 times a day with a brush from roots to ends of those extensions. This is going to avoid any tangling and matting in the upper area where the short hairs start on the extensions. Now, we always recommend a really good leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners help nourish your hair, bring it back to life, especially because extensions are secondary hair. I highly recommend a hair mask. Those are always super crucial. A blow dry spray to protect from heat and to also give you a really smooth blowout. This is a heat protectant by Kenra. I love this stuff. It's perfect for before the use of any hot tools on your own hair. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Hopefully this will help you guys maintain your extensions and keep them lasting a lot longer. I'm Hair by Carmen Delilah.
And hair by Cameron.